Hi everyone, welcome to another video in which we are going to talk about medium obstacle two times. So what task needs to be performed here is use one module creating two automated test steps to click the button two times in a row. Okay. So whenever you approach any problem, try to take a look at first manually how does it perform. Okay. So I want to click two times here. So first if I click on this, it is changing the button name. Okay. Now in cases like this, we have to first try to find out the similarities between this because we have to use only one module. So let me fire up my scan. This can work with one module just taking one particular element as well, but the proper way to do it is what we'll take a look at this. So I'll first capture this particular button, click me 2x, and what we'll do is we'll investigate the properties. So if I go to this button and let me move the properties on this side. Okay, so here you see the item is becoming unique. Okay, item is unique. Okay, and what properties it is taking? It is taking ID and it is taking tag. Okay, now what other properties we have? The other properties what we have is the inner text, which is basically the button name. Now we'll get to know once we investigate the other button that what all properties does that have. But here if you see that ID and tag it is taking, and this is having certain numbers. Okay, so let me move this. Now whenever you come across any attribute which has numbers, okay, it has more chances of getting changed as well. Okay, so see here, if I change this value 4576 to a asterisk here and click on OK, still my item is unique. So if I click on highlight screen, it is still highlighting to the first item. Okay, so what I'll do is 4576 or whatever it was, I'll just click on OK just to understand this thing. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll first save this module and I'll click on finish screen and then I'll click on this particular button. Okay, now if you see, if I click on scan screen, we'll get this particular button and we'll investigate the property once. Okay, so I'll click on select on screen, I'll take up this value. Okay, now let me maximize this and just click me once more. Okay, so here you see again the ID is coming which says RND underscore 2929. So RND underscore is similar, but the value after that is changing. Now we cannot use inner text because inner text there it was different and here it is click me once more, right? But using tag and ID it is working unique. Okay, so if I click on if I go back and I change this again to a wildcard and I click on OK, it is still unique, right? And if I'll move it here, I'll click on highlight screen, it is highlighting the button. Okay, so in that case we can use the first module itself because using the same properties I'm able to get this button, and after clicking once again the properties will be similar, so it will be able to perform both the functions. Okay, so I'll just save it for the understanding purpose if it is required to explain again. So I'll use this particular button and let me just rename this to obstacle 72954. Obstacle 72954, and I'll just update the spelling here and I'll quickly move this to the test cases section. So I'll go to test cases and I can put it outside for now and move it like this. Okay, so here we have used only one module is what it was saying. Okay, and what we'll do is we'll two times perform a click. Okay, now we'll change the action mode to input and we will perform a click here. Okay, what we can do is we can For performing the second click, I can just copy this, or what I can do is I can change the cardinality as well. Okay, so let's do it in this way. I'll just copy this and I'll click on it again. Okay. Now, since I've clicked once more, let me bring back the page to the same state on which it is required. Now let's run this, and it should ideally click on both the buttons. So let's see if it works. Now this whole challenge series in which I have all the different obstacles, it's very good to go through all of them so that you will get very good understanding on how to solve automation problems, different automation problems, how to work with the challenges. So do follow along in the other videos as well as I have a lot of other videos as well on my channel. So do check those out and do leave a like and a comment. Okay, so it's not working. Let's take a quick look what has happened here. Could not find the button. Click me. Okay, my bad. We talked about this thing, but I have not updated the property because I was just trying to explain that. So I'll go to click me 2x, and here it is taking ID, and I will change this to asterisk here, and it should just take ID as th. So this got added. Let me remove this. Okay, now what I have done is the same thing, the wildcard entry, making it unique with the variable which is changing all the time. So now it will work fine. So I can use either of the modules, both which I have scanned, and this should work fine. Okay, so it is clicked first time and then it is clicked on the second time. So our automation problem is solved. Thank you very much. Do check out the previous and the next video as well in this particular series, and have a great day. Bye bye.